Hi, my name is Ana Santander Chiquillo. My life in Colombia. My life in Colombia is in the sense that the videos of the songs studies in the first night has been difficult. For no one the world which lies in is as great and this has really touched me closely. My parents for not has been studied. They were looking to live in the towns where they established abusiveness to service, but in those towns there's the lives in the heart of illegal groups. Since these people's every days as a course traumatic, but it is something that happens every day. The corrupt governments that we has does not allow to advance either because in Colombia everything is stolen, hills as losses and education cannot be cited. The opportunities are scarce, but the desires, the motivations as has as more than which I work hard. I am as host with students at the study. It is a very difficult but not impossible. I value every day that passes. I enjoy the most with my family and when I can start a vacation to visit new places. I do it. I think happiness is in living and enjoying the leaders. Things you can do in your life. Money is not everything at the base goods to yourselves and the others makes the feels can happy by can start planning my dreams. I work every day to achieve things because it mentions you must find what you like to do to be successful and do those things in the best possible ways. It is necessary to have love and compassion for people when the humans base understands the happiness in giving as no savings we can achieve world peace. Man's wills will goals not only continuous living as we are those throws such laws must lead force of service rest, helping his others as not ends the lands, animals and natural the generals. So when I can do it within my reach. Teaching the best ways the contributors, chance farmers, throws as the teachers at holds to achieve it. Many genres want to improve these words. Thank you very much. Bye bye.